Hi all, Amanda here, Teen Services Librarian at Herrick District Library, back again with another Okayish art with Amanda. What's Okayish art with Amanda? Well, it's where I scour the internet looking for different arts and crafts projects, attempt to do them, emphasis on attempt, and then rate them on a scale of 1 to 5 Amandas. 1 Amanda meaning that this project was a flop and I am not able to complete it. And 5 Amandas means it's Amanda proof. If I can do it, so can you. Today's Okayish art is brought to you by Creativebug. Creativebug is a website free to use with your library card. Let me show you how to sign up. Signing up is easy. Head to www.creativebug.com/lib/herrickdl. Once there, type in your library card number and PIN. From there, you'll be prompted to add your first and last name, an email, and a password, and then you're set to go. Your landing page may look a little bit different than mine, but from here you can see all the different projects you can start creating right now from your own home. Feel free to look around and explore. For our project, we're searching for the Botanical watercolors, so we could just type it in the search bar up here, click and go, and it's the first one that pops up there. As you can see, there's a couple of other ones available too, but we want the first one. So we'll click here and we can start the class. Mine says resume because I've already started it once, but everything is here that you need, including instructions and a list of all the supplies. One thing I do really love drawing and doodling is trees and flowers and different lines and things. So I feel like maybe I can do this one. Plus it looks really pretty and I want to give it a try. For this project, we need some watercolor paper, a pencil, and a Micron Drawing Pen size 3. I found this pen at a local art store for about $2.50. The first thing she had us do was draw some lines and shapes. She really encouraged us to go slow while doing this. However, I am going slow, but I just speed up the video. She then had us practice making some distinct shapes of leaves and flowers and twigs. After that, it was on to the harder stuff, flowers. So first we draw an anemone. Say that 3 times fast. Also, I noticed my hand is completely in the way, so let's speed this process up, shall we? Also, yes, I realize an anemone is supposed to have 5 petals, but, well, anyway. Here, she had us drawing a rose. This was really hard. I wasn't sure what I was doing. I kind of look like I know what I'm doing. And I will say, though, that the end result looks really cool, but during the process of it, it does not look like anything but a bunch of squiggly lines. So yeah, towards the end here, it actually kind of looks like a rose. Next up is a peony. And again, looks like I'm drawing just a bunch of squiggly lines, and it actually turns out pretty cool in the end, especially when you add all the extra small little details to each of the petals. For drawing the wreath, first I drew a light circle on our watercolor paper just to have a guideline of where to put all of our little drawings, and then you just fill in kind of wherever you like. Here I am drawing an anemone, and as you can see, I've already started throughout. Here we're finishing up towards at the end, and she also encouraged to go around and fill in any gaps or holes you think you might have. Then I used colored pencils to color in. She did watercolors, but I didn't really have any watercolors handy, and I really like how the colored pencils turned out because you can really blend with your pencils. And that's it. My project is complete. I am really thrilled with these results. Creativebug made a tutorial that is easy to follow, has great step-by-step instructions, and made me really feel confident about what I was drawing. I'm going to give this project 5 Amandas because I really like how everything turned out, and it was surprisingly easy to do. I found it really relaxing and almost meditative just to sit and draw with some music on and to create little fun shapes and leaves and nature scenes. So go give Creativebug a try. Use your library card to sign in today and check out all of the amazing tutorials you can do right from home. Thanks for joining me on Okayish Art with Amanda, and I'll see you next time.